Your Google Slides most likely has a theme that dictates the color scheme, layout, and overall look and feel of your presentation. If you want to go ahead and edit that, we'll go to View and Theme Builder. Here is where we can see the overall theme of our presentation. So that includes what colors we're currently using, if there is a logo or an image. For example, we can see here, we have the ArrowMar image on every single slide. And we can also see what a bulleted list would look like on each of these pages too. So let's say we wanted to go ahead and edit this theme. I'm going to change the title font. So what I'm going to do is go to my first slide here, which will change all of the subsequent slides down below. So I'm going to go ahead and change the font to Pacifico, and you'll see that the layouts down below, or the titles rather, have also updated. We can also see in the presentation itself, my titles have also updated too. So we'll go back to that view and explore the other things that we have the opportunity to edit. So we can change the background color here. We have a pretty simple gray. We can go ahead and make the background color blue. We can even add an image if we'd like. When we're done, we can click on Done. And again, as you can see down below, all of the other slides have also updated. Continuing on, we can explore the additional colors and customization options we have. So we can update text and background. We can change the accents here. So instead of this being green, we can choose this salmon color. You can see it updates here, and my bullet list now has changed from that green to this pinkish color too. We can go ahead and X that out when we are ready. And if you wanted to hop back in and adjust additional things, again, it's going to be from the colors option up here at the top. So once we are all done here, we can go ahead and rename this so we can easily find this later on. So I can call this my, oops, if I can type correctly, we can call this my ArrowMar orientation template. And then I'm able to access this theme at a later time.
We hope this video helped. Make sure to click the thumbs up and click the subscribe button right here. And click the link above to check out our Limelight classes, a free virtual live training. See you in the next video.